If you're looking for strength and versatility in a compact tractor that's also easy to operate, take a look at the newest additions to our 4M line. The new 4M Heavy Duty 4052 and 4066 both make tackling tough jobs easy. Easy to attach implements, easy to maneuver, and easy to operate.
We're excited about the 4M Heavy Duty tractor in Augusta, showing the capabilities of our compact utility tractors, and I'm excited to show this thing off.
Let's start with attachments. Look how easy it is to connect the Quick Park loader. Align the loader mounts with the loader boom, connect the hydraulic lines, and lock the loader into its mounting brackets. Except for connecting the hydraulic lines, you can attach and detach this loader from the operator platform. Now that's pretty cool. And speaking of attachments, check this out. We've added a front support bracket for additional weight ballast. The bracket itself weighs 120 pounds before adding weight. The 4M Heavy Duties also come with a brush guard that adds protection to the front grille. Both the weight bracket and the brush guard stay attached when you connect the loader. Now that'll save you time. Attaching rear implements is just as easy, thanks to the telescoping draft links on the 3-point hitch. Just back the tractor into position, extend the draft links to align with the implement, and you're on your way in no time with 2,500 pounds of lift capacity. And the beauty of this 3-point hitch is you can switch out a Category 1 implement for a Category 2 without changing the hitch. Just rotate the hitch ball to the appropriate size. You get the versatility of a wide range of implements in one easy-to-connect hitch. Bottom line, these 4M Heavy Duties let you spend your valuable time getting work done and less time changing implements. Now, about maneuverability. Let's start with the 4M's short wheelbase. At just 73 inches, it makes turning in tight spaces easy. Next, look at these R4 industrial tires. This option delivers excellent traction in sloppy conditions, and its sturdy sidewalls handle heavy loads beautifully. As you can see, the hinge height of the ROPS is just 70 inches, perfect for operating in low clearance situations. And the standard lighting package includes 2 forward and 2 rear-facing work lights with brush guards. You get more visibility in low light operations and more work done after dark. Okay, it's time to talk about easy operation. As you can see, controls are easy to reach. 4M Heavy Duties put the control of multiple implements into one hand. Use the joystick to operate the loader and its integrated switch to operate rear hydraulic implements. It's that simple. These new models come standard with dual mid and single rear SCVs. Having the hydraulics factory installed saves you the time and hassle of adding them later. Both 4M Heavy Duties come with an e-hydro transmission with twin touch pedals. Like our current 4R tractors, this 3-range e-hydro transmission is both your clutch and your transmission, and offers many built-in features, such as automotive-style cruise control. It works just like the one in your car, maintaining a constant speed without your foot on the pedal. E-throttle lets you match the speed of the tractor to the job, which increases fuel economy while reducing noise. And load match maximizes torque to prevent stalls under heavy engine loads. The point is, easy control of speed and operation saves you time and keeps you focused on your work. That's it for our walk around. Just remember, the new 4M Heavy Duty 4052 and 4066 are easy to attach, easy to maneuver, and easy to control.